How to apply custom fonts on your Android device. If you'd like to apply custom fonts on your Android, you can follow up these steps. So you can either use the built-in font management features in your device or utilize the third-party applications. So let's head over the settings for this video, your device's main settings. And from there, you may find the option called display and open it up. After you find the option called display, you may scroll through the given options and find the option called font size and style and tap on it. And from here, you will be finding the option called font style, tap on it. After you tap on font style, you will be finding uh, different custom fonts available. So you can select the default, or if you'd like to customize it, we have different options available. So if I would like to select this Gothic bold, I will select that and you can see my font style has been changed. Similarly, you can even download fonts available. You can tap on download fonts and then basically look out for the fonts available from your app's devices custom store. From there, look out for the fonts that you would like to download and tap on the download button next to it. And once it is downloaded, you may select up the font that you would like to apply, and that's it. So therefore, you may also follow the same process if you'd like to apply custom fonts on your Android device. And I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.